guys know what this means. It means we're chasing a four-wheeler. No, we're chasing a motorcycle. Never a good thing. So we'll give you the backstory on this later. On that side.
Those are just
find some lug in that.
Those aren't even lug nuts. Those are just bolts. I meant not bolts, nuts.
All right, let's go. We are on the road again, and this time we're headed out to the Hurricane Sand Dunes just above Sand Hollow. We've got a kid that decided to scatter his Honda motorcycle. I think he blew it up hot rodding across the sand dunes. So we'll take you along for the ride. We'll get out there and see if we can get him loaded and get him back to the shop and tore down. Hopefully a little bit of honing in the cylinder and a piston slap, and he'll be back on the road again. All right, well, we got to hit the sand dunes, and we just realized that this is missing a cap. So we're gonna go ahead and make a temporary makeshift cap for this baby. We don't want to fill that bearing clear full of stuff. And thankfully in my collection in the Jeep I have a little bit of electrical tape. Probably even got some duct tape if I looked. And we'll get this down to the shop. You can see it's missing a lug nut or two. So we'll get that figured out too while we're at it. But we are on the road again. Me and Link decided we'd take a motorcycle ride to the all-famous Hurricane Sand Dunes slash whatever you call it, Sand Hollow. And we have a little bit of a problem. My bike's running. I think the old Honda just took a dump. So we got Boyd gonna come rescue us, at least give us a ride home. We'll come out a little later with the trailer and gather it up. What a mess.
Where the old Honda took a dump on me right there. Had to push her clear back down. Pushed her clear back from over there.
Is that where you're gonna leave it?
Yeah. Oh, too soft right there. Here, Dad.
All right, for all you people in the snowy north, You gotta remember, southern Utah is nice. It's a whole 65 degrees today. But for all you guys in the snow-covered mountains of Colorado and Montana and Idaho and northern Utah, well, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. They say there's no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
No gas.
You want to see if it'll start?
There's no gas.
It's in gear. It's in gear.
Oh.
Ain't gonna run, is it?
No.
Okay, let's go.
I think it is just out of gas, I swear.
Steer it, dude.
What would we do if it was just out of gas?
It's not.
Yo, dude. Bro,
You want me to do this all?
well, I can't steer.
Well, I'd say what I want to say. Which side you getting on?
Put it right in the middle.
You think?
Is this 4 dirt bikes?
Are you gonna help me lift, or you want me to do it all? All right, you hold it. I'll grab a strap or two. Dump it in gear.
Best part is, just barely put brand new tires on it.
And then you scattered it.
Yeah. I lost my $5 bill. Oh wait, no, I got it still.
Geez, that strap's long enough to go around to anything. It's a lovely strap too. It looks like it's had better days. Push it forward, please. Clear forward.
Try it.
There you go. All right, wait for it. Hey, you guys relax. Dude. That strap's long enough to go around the world twice.
Are we hooking anything to the back?
Yeah. Let's grab the one on the back seat and throw it around the back.
Oh, I got sand in my shoes.
So there's a little bit of a backstory on this motorbike. If you haven't figured it out, it belongs to Lincoln. He decided that we needed to go bomb around the sand dunes yesterday, and we had to climb this sand hill clear up there by them rocks on the right, and I think he worked it a little hard. The old two-stroke gave up the ghost, but we had to have Boyd come rescue us. All right, you can see the dust cloud coming. You can't sneak up on us. Got the posse coming in. Gonna give Lincoln a ride home. I'm gonna bust out of here before dark on my no headlight bike. Yep. there's the rescue team. Oh, I think it's got a hole in the piston, that's for sure. Probably could have rode double on the way back, but off the sand dunes it ain't much fun, so we didn't want to take a chance. Boyd was sitting around the house looking for something to do anyways, but thanks for coming along with us out to the sand dunes, saving Lincoln's old bike. I think he's about outgrown it, so we'll have to maybe look for an upgrade, but we sure have a lot of fun out here at this beautiful place. And thanks for coming along for the ride.